Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about the landmark judgment given by the Supreme Court in 1950. So I am talking about Ramesh Thapad versus the State of Madras. So who was Ramesh Thapad? Ramesh Thapad was the editor of the journal The Crossroad, and the State of Madras prohibited the circulation of the his journal named Crossroad under the Madras Maintenance of Public Order Act 1949. So Thapar challenged the ban before the Supreme Court by using his fundamental right, Article 32. So what was the issue? He asked whether the ban violated the freedom of speech and expression under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A. So generally, he talked about his fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression. And the second one is he talks about reasonable restrictions, whether the this act, Madras Maintenance of Public Order Act, come under reasonable restrictions or not. So what was the Supreme Court judgment? There were five judges in this case, and Thomas Thopper won the case by 4-1. Four judges gave their judgment in the Thomas Thopper favor, and one was against his. So, what was the Supreme Court judgment? The court struck down the ban in the circulation of the journals, and courts interpreted the freedom of speech and expression includes freedom of circulation of the ideas and the opinions. So supreme court supreme court said there is no reasonable instructions in the Constitution of India which talks about public order. So before 1950 there was no reasonable restrictions which implies which contains public order. So what was the impact of this judgment for the future reference? So first of all, Supreme Court strengthened the freedom of protection of freedom of speech and expression in India, and he established the freedom of circulation is an essential part of the freedom of expression. So, and third one, there took place a first constitutional amendment act 1951 which added word public order as a ground of reasonable restriction which comes under 19 subclause 2. So that is all for today. Thank you.